Welcome to our channel. Activating your Trust Rewards card and claiming your points is simple and rewarding. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Locate the activation instructions that came with your Trust Rewards card. This information is usually included in the welcome packet or printed on a sticker on the card itself. Step 2. Visit the Trust Rewards card activation website or call the phone number provided. You can choose whichever method is most convenient for you. Step 3. Enter your card number when prompted. The 16-digit number is found on the front of your Trust Rewards card. Step 4. Provide your personal information for verification purposes. This typically includes your full name, date of birth, social security number, and contact details. Step 5. Create a PIN for your card if required. Choose a secure 4-digit code that you'll remember but others cannot easily guess. Step 6. Register for your online rewards account. This allows you to track your points, view transaction history, and redeem rewards conveniently. Step 7. Review the rewards program details to understand how you earn and redeem points. Different purchases may earn different point values. Step 8. Start using your Trust Rewards card for eligible purchases. Points will accumulate automatically based on your spending, and you can check your balance online or via the mobile app anytime. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.